Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine. I actually just tried uploading a video a while ago, but nahi ho paya. I'm facing some issues with my webcam, and so I'm trying to film this video from my cell phone. I hope abhi video ka quality better ho. I hope that you're able to hear me clearly as well. So it's been a very long time since I uploaded a video, and I thought of making one because I received an email 10 days ago from somebody from Tamil Nadu, और उन्होंने एक email मुझे अपने official email ID पे भेजा है, which you can check in the description for this video. अगर आपको video request चाहिए, you can send me an email and I'll be more than happy to read your email and I'll try to make a video on that topic. मैं अपना Instagram ID भी डाल दूंगा. I'll put my Instagram ID also so we can connect on Instagram if you want to. So the email that I received was about me was a request in which they asked me to make a video with these questions. So उन्होंने ये पूछा है कि how do you stay motivated and focus on your life as a gay person, number one, and number two, what is the future of a gay person in India? So I think these are two different questions, and I would like to start by saying that I think we need to understand that being gay is just one part of your life. हमारे life में being homosexual, being gay is just one part. In addition to that, you are also working somewhere. You might be a student, you might be a parent, you might be a son, you might have a job somewhere. So there is more to us than just being gay. And I think that is an important point I want to make, is that is not the only thing in your life. And so I think if we talk about focus, I think why don't we talk about being focused on our careers? I think it's very important to be focused on our careers because our careers will take us to where we want to go. I am somebody who tries very hard to understand what my career path is, and it has taken me a very long time to move from my original career path, which was in human resources, to now a career in the social sector. It took me a very long time to make that transition. So I think whoever is interested in making a career change, whoever is trying to figure out what they want to do in their life, that should be a focus. And being gay is a part of it. It's just a part of who you are, and that's it. And staying motivated is very important in general. I would say that in addition to staying focused on your career, also try to stay focused on finding a partner if that's what you want. Otherwise, looking for love. I think very few people give this suggestion, but I think it's important that हम जैसे करियर में एम्फोसिस एंड फोकस देते वैसे हमें अपने रिलेशनशिप्स एंड पर्सनल लाइफ में भी फोकस एंड एम्फोसिस देना चाहिए. सो वेदर इट इज़ अ रिलेशनशिप विद योर पार्टनर, वेदर इट इज़ अ रिलेशनशिप विद योर parents, whether it is a relationship with yourself, it's very important to spend some time with yourself, with the people you love. It could even be a pet. I think these are important things. So stay motivated for the things that matter, and the things that matter are your career and your people who are close to you. It could even be animals. So that is my suggestion. And as far as what the future lies for gay people, very recently, as you know, there were petitions to legalize same-sex marriage in India. They were slammed by the central government, and मैंने इसके ऊपर videos भी बनाए हैं. But I think it's very important and good that these kinds of conversations are being had. Abhi because of COVID, pride parades are not happening, but that doesn't matter because we still have a lot of online events. Abhi online forums में अगर जाओगे, you'll see lot of Zoom events, YouTube events, you'll see Facebook events, Instagram lives, जहाँ पे लोग LGBTQ इश्यूज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट मैंने अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी एक इंस्टाग्राम लाइव का भी एक पूरा लाइव स्ट्रीम मैंने अपलोड किया है. यू कैन वॉच इट इफ़ यू वांट टू. सो LGBTQ एक्टिविज्म इज स्टिल हैपनिंग. इट्स हैपनिंग ऑनलाइन, एंड आई थिंक द फ्यूचर इज़ वेरी गुड. इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स टेकिंग टाइम बिकॉज अभी भी सोसाइटी में होमोफोबिया बहुत है. अभी भी वी स्टिल डोंट हैव अ नॉन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन क्लॉज. कन्वर्जन थेरेपी अभी भी इंडिया में लीगल है. And the trans bill, as many of you know, is very problematic bill, and trans bill के जो recommended changes है, they still have not been accepted. So there are lots of problems and there is a very long road ahead, but I think the future is very good because we are having these conversations. There are people working towards these issues, and most importantly in online spaces like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, I think Snapchat also. I'm not familiar, but I'm guessing Snapchat also, you see a lot of work that is being done to spread awareness, and that is the most important part. So that being said, I think even though we're living in a very difficult time, अभी कोविड का सेकेंड वेव चल रहा है इंडिया में, and I hope everyone is staying safe. But even though we're living in a difficult time, it's very important for us to stay motivated, stay focused on what matters to us, and try to take care of our physical health and mental health both. I think if we do that, we should be fine. So I will put my email ID in the description box. If you want to send me any requests, you can email me. मैं अपना Instagram ID भी डाल दूँगा. And I hope everyone is staying safe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.